Chef at Dr. D.Y. Patil, Prasad University's School of Hospitality and Tourism, Pune, we strongly believe our education, what we offer here, is part of the industry relevant. So, our very first initiative, what you see as a part of Hospitality Voices 1.1, we actually brought the industry here. And chef like you, legend chef like you today, he was mentoring our students today. So, what do you feel? How is this initiative, and how do you think this will be helping the aspiring hospitality or the budding, the culinary students? How they will get benefited from it?
Yes, definitely. Because me and Mr. Rathod, we had a long conversation regarding this. The universities or hotel management at the moment, like you visit any college, any university, the education, how we are teaching students, that is, it's like old school nowadays. Nowadays, the students, whoever want to become a chef, they want to learn culinary, so they need to understand, the practical knowledge. Yes, we are providing good practical knowledge here in colleges as well, but I think they need to understand how kitchen works in hotel. So if like a chef comes to you and he is taking a class and he is teaching you in a more appropriate way of like how they need to grow in their kitchen, and they need to learn in kitchen, that is totally different. And this is, I am very grateful that Mr. Rathod thought about it and he want to move forward with this idea. And this is a great idea. The chefs, experienced chefs comes over and have a interaction with the chefs, and they are giving their knowledge, sharing their knowledge with the students. I think it will be more useful for young students who want to become a chef. I visited so many colleges, so many universities, but I felt something special here. I don't know why. The students are just amazing. They willing to learn. And when you see, the atmosphere, you can automatically understand that yes, some good vibes are there. So that's what I felt so great today, and I am very happy that I am the part of this workshop today.
That's great. We are very glad to know that you had a very nice experience with our students. I also would like to understand from you, since you're taking very proudly our Indian cuisine on a truly global platform. So do you suggest any message for our students? How our Indian cuisine and what they can basically look forward to expand or fusion, or maybe how they will be able to look at the authenticity of the cuisine?
Yes. As like when we had a workshop that time also, I spoke about it, that how we can take forward to the Indian cuisine. Best thing, in our India, there is regional cuisine nowadays is very popular. You can found thousand recipes in India. There is no lack of recipes in India. You can find, you go any state, you go any place, you go any village, you can find something different. So what my advice is, it's better take your authenticity, but the dish creation, I think, should be done according to which country you are in, and see the local ingredients. Okay, see the local palate of the people who is going to have your food. I think these things are very important to introduce your food and to make it more appropriate for the people who is dining in your restaurant. Personally, I am feeling so happy, and I am feeling inside that I will be the part of this college, this university as well. This is a pride for me as well. Same like you said, but it's pride for me as well.
The pleasure is all ours, Chef, that having you here. Truly, thank you so very much, and we truly appreciate your time here.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure. Thank you.